When it comes to portable devices, tablets fall right between a smartphone and a laptop. They're more powerful and sizable in comparison to a smartphone and often cheaper and more portable compared to a laptop. Some even have magnetic keyboard support to assist you in productive tasks. As more and more popular brands keep flooding the market with tablets of their own, it's quite overwhelming to get your hands on the right one that will serve you the best. In today's video, we will be comparing Microsoft Surface Pro 8 and Apple's iPad Pro 2021, which currently are two of the best tablets that you can get your hands on. So, without any further ado, let's dive in.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting off with the Surface Pro 8, we get some crucial design improvements since the launch of Surface Pro back in 2017. It boasts a new graphite color scheme, rounded edge corners, and much smaller bezels. The outcome? An aesthetically pleasing tablet that feels comfortable to hold even for longer periods. There's not much to say about the iPad Pro's design as it is more or less the same. As always, it is an attractive tablet that looks premium and feels durable. Both the iPad Pro and Surface Pro 8 have a 13-inch 120Hz display that feels super smooth and responsive while browsing, streaming content, or playing light games. Though these tablets are not specifically designed for gaming, once you get to experience what 120Hz feels like, it's really hard to switch back. The difference relies on the panel. Surface Pro 8 brings along Microsoft's much popular Pixel Sun display with a native resolution of 2880 by 1920p. On the other hand, iPad Pro features Apple's high-end Liquid Retina XDR panel. So, in terms of screen, we gotta admit that the iPad Pro shines brighter than the Surface Pro 8. Well, with this 1600 nits of brightness, it literally does. You need to pay extra for a keyboard and stylus bundles for both of these tablets, which although might be a bummer, but is a necessity to get the full tablet/laptop experience. Surface Pro 8's signature keyboard is made of carbon fiber, so it is lightweight and feels a lot stiffer compared to the previous ones. The coolest thing about this detachable keyboard is it now has a dedicated room for the Surface Pen. Talking about the Surface Pen, Microsoft has also introduced their brand new Slim Pen 2 that gives off haptic feedback when you write or draw with it. Just to let you know, the bundle costs around $280. Unlike Surface Pro 8, Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro are sold separately and not in a bundle. The second-gen Apple Pencil costs around $119 while the Magic Keyboard requires you to pay $280. Under the hood, Surface Pro 8 is available with up to 11th-gen i7 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. Of course, you can configure this tablet with lower-tier components if you want to cut the cost down. iPad Pro, however, houses Apple's most powerful M1 chip, which makes it stand out from the Surface Pro 8 in terms of performance. Storage availability starts from 128 gigs all the way to 2 TB. The Surface Pro 8 brings along a slightly improved front-facing camera, but it is nothing compared to iPad Pro's ultra-wide camera with the much helpful center stage feature. And lastly, both of them have Thunderbolt connectivity because that is a pretty big deal. Clearly, iPad Pro takes the crown of the best tablet. It has an immersive display, a better set of cameras, and is more powerful than the Surface Pro 8. However, in terms of practicality, Surface Pro 8 has so much to offer in a laptop setup when paired up with a keyboard and stylus bundle. If we're being honest, the operating system has a much important role to play here. iPad OS is suitable for mobile and tablet devices, while the Windows OS offers you the best of both laptop and tablet experience. Either way, the choice completely depends on what you will be prioritizing from these two tablets. So that was all about the Surface Pro 8 versus iPad Pro debate. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.